experiencing on and off headaches, and I was in Home Depot, and I collapsed. Dobila sam napad. Onesvestila sam se. Pala sam na pod, počela sam da se trzim i da prevrćem očima i pištila sam se. Onesvestila sam se. Ne sjećam se svih 45 sekundi tog događaja.
Excuse me. Would you like to hold this charm? I take it with me wherever I go on my travels. Go ahead, lightly pull on it. Nihon no rekishi da yo. Sugawara Michizane. Michizane-san wa tennou no kata o deri shita. Kono tennou wa mou hitori.
My heart fell and shattered like glass. I tried to hold back my tears.
I never had the chance to really know my father. I mean, I know he was a fabulous dancer.
On sortait tous les soirs. Et c'était toujours la musique qui m'a donné le sens à la vie. On sortait tous les soirs.
My heart fell and shattered like glass. Ooh. He's leaving us. Our family is falling apart. I don't want that to happen. I always want... 我覺得最安全嘅時間係夜晚，成家人都喺屋企，全部人都喺屋企。
Many years ago, when I was a young girl in Italy, it was in to wear a lace dress for the evening with a mink collar. So my mother bought me this wild Canadian mink. Sono nata in Torino, nell'Italia nord-occidentale, nell'ombre della molle antolignana. David was born in 1966, and I stayed at home until
Somebody asked me whether I could understand the sentiment of the people who are now sort of asserting their Germanness by beating up children in playgrounds. Denn ich könnte es ruhig zeigen, wenn ich empfände, dass nun, da die Situation sich verändert hatte, ich zwar nicht unbedingt diese Taten für richtig hielt, aber dass ich mich zu meiner Nationalität bekannte.